How to connect CJ Dropshipping to Shopify. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can increase your selling potential on Shopify by connecting it with CJ Dropshipping. So to get started, you need to open your web browser. Here, search for CJ Dropshipping. Open its official website. Here, make sure to be logged in with your account. Then go to Authorization and click on Shopify. Now click on Add Store to add your Shopify store. Here, click on Authorize. Now click on the Add App button. Select your Gmail account and continue. As you can see, your Shopify store and CJ Dropshipping are being linked. Click on Install App to continue the process. Now you need to click on the Authorize button. Click on Confirm in order to agree with the store authorization agreement. As you can see, the authorization has been done successfully. Again, click on Authorization and select Shopify. Now you can use CJ Dropshipping app on your Shopify store to do dropshipping. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.